In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Copilot in Google Chrome's Sidebar. This is a handy feature that can help enhance your browser experience by providing easy access to a versatile tool right within Chrome. Let's dive into the process together, step by step, and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First things first, you want to open the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find all the extensions you can add to your browser. Simply open your web browser and type in chromewebstore.google.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store homepage, where you can explore thousands of extensions designed to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're there, look for the search bar, typically located at the upper left corner of the page. Here, you'll type in Copilot Sidebar for Chrome. This phrase is the keyword that will help you locate the specific extension you need among the many available in the store. After entering your search query, browse through the search results to find an extension that suits your needs. You might see names like Copilot Sidebar for Chrome or Copilot TM Open Sidebar in Chrome. Click on the one that interests you. Each extension will offer a brief description of its features, so take a moment to review these to decide which one aligns best with what you're looking for. Once you've selected the Copilot extension that's right for you, you'll be on its specific page. Here, you'll look for a button that says Add to Chrome or Install. This button is usually prominently displayed near the top of the page, making it easy to find. When you click it, you're initiating the installation process, so make sure this is the extension you want to install. Your next move involves a pop-up notification from Chrome. This notification is just Chrome's way of ensuring you know exactly what you're getting into. It'll list the permissions the extension needs to operate. Read through this list carefully. If you're comfortable with the permissions requested, click Add Extension. This will finalize your decision, and the download process will begin immediately. Within a few moments, the extension will be installed and ready for use. You'll typically find new icons that represent the extension added to your Chrome toolbar, usually at the upper right. From there, you can click on the icon to open the Copilot sidebar and start exploring its capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully added Copilot to your Google Chrome sidebar, ready to assist you with your browsing needs. Enjoy this new addition and explore how it can make your daily tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-tos like this one.